Technology is meant to solve people's problems. This is why we are enjoying the great transformation from a stationary telephone of those days to what we now call a mobile cell phone that we carry around today, from a box television to a very slim OLED television and some other great technology we are enjoying today. Imagine if the first floor of a 50-story building is on fire. The process of calling firefighting service before they arrive, extending ladders or crane, the damage might have been done. I come across a very fantastic solution that can help firefighting service all over the world. Come across this video online, but I've forgotten the name of the poster, and I think this technology, this invention will help a lot of people. So before the arrival of firefighting service, this can serve as an alternative and can even do the job of a firefighting service. And it's going to be advisable for every building, every organization to have this in their building. Check the video out and see what I'm telling you. A firefighting drone. See. And it will help a lot in firefighting service. If you know anybody who can do this in Nigeria, kindly contact the person and drop the person's contact. Peace.